Growing your Easy Texting subscriber list with keywords. From the Easy Texting dashboard, click Create, and then on Keyword. From here, you can search for the keyword of your choice. The most effective keywords are short, memorable, and capture attention. Once you've found the keyword you want, click Activate Keyword. Now let's configure your keyword. The first step is to add context to a group for segmentation, reporting, and targeted follow-up. You can use the checkbox to add them to an existing group or click Create New Group, located in the top right. When you're ready to move forward, click Continue. The next step is to write a message that is automatically sent to contacts after they text in your keyword. Remember to include the incentive you offered, as well as opt-out instructions, which is required by wireless carriers. You also have the option to configure more advanced settings, including creating an alternative reply message for contacts that have already opted into your list and sending double opt-in confirmation text. You can also forward all new opt-ins to your email address so you can stay informed about the growth of your list. When you are done, click Finish Setup. Your keyword is now ready to share with the world. You can promote your keyword, textable number, and incentive on anything that is highly visible, including in-stored signage, print media, social media site, t-shirts, company vehicles, and more. Congrats! You've now created your first keyword campaign. You can create multiple keyword campaigns for a range of promotions and offers. The possibilities are endless with Easy Texting.